Let's make something delicious. Korean gimbap. I'm going to add sausage gimbap. I made rice. I'm going to make 4 rolls. 1 scoop. This around 3/4 cup each one. 4. With salt and sesame oil little bit. Mix. So now eggs. 4 eggs. Add some salt. Swirl this. Remove this excess oil. Okay. Just over low heat, 4 or 5 minutes I cook. And turn off. Green onion, make this gimbap very tasty. Cucumber. Some salt. And just let it sweat. Carrot. Cut into matchsticks. Little bit salt. Like this. So green onion, eggs, and 단무지. So we need only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just in case, 5 I take it. And the sausage. Cut half in lengthwise and again. Gimbap filling. Also carrot. Little oil, cucumber. Just 20 seconds. The reason I'm cooking quickly is to make it, to keep this green color. Over medium-high heat. This mat and kim is a shiny part down. Divide that 4 equal size. All spread this. Leave 1 or 2 inches left at the top. Carrot first. And cucumber. Cucumber, 단무지, and egg. Like this. And green onion. Last one, sausage. Then you need to tightly press, give some pressure. Nice. As I use my hand. Sesame seeds. Doesn't it look delicious? Let me taste. Texture is perfect and very savory and not salty, not bland, perfect. Let's go on a picnic. Who would follow me? Let's go. So enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.